Good morning. It's been a while since I've seen you on YouTube. This morning I am out sharing our all-natural cleaning product. It's on our website. You can come and get it. If you sign up for our newsletter, you get 50% off your first concentrate order. So this little bottle of concentrate that's all natural, super safe, made in Mississippi by yours truly, is gonna make you almost 30 liters of all-natural cleaner. The value is incredible, and apart from that, the aroma will make you love your life. So today I'm sharing it with Corporate Housing Experts, an amazing operation in central Mississippi, and they're all over the central southeast. I am hopeful that we'll be able to greet their guests as they come into their space with our incredible aroma. As you know, if you've tried it before, whether in your professional cleaning business or in your home or office, in your workspace, when you spray this stuff, it makes you feel so good. And that's what we love to do, is help people feel good, and after that, enjoy the beauty of their space. So here we are on in a beautiful windy day in Pearl, Mississippi, and I can just smell the product because it's right next to me. If you don't like eucalyptus, we'll have another aroma soon for you, but this aroma is just making me enjoy this weather because it's beautiful and I'm able to enjoy it even more. So I'm excited to be back here with you on YouTube and loving my day job out sharing this amazing product with my local community. And I hope to see you on our website, on our YouTube channel. We're on TikTok and Instagram as well. Facebook, come find us and enjoy the beauty of your space using our amazing all-natural cleaning product. Talk to you soon.